My name is David Brown. I'm a professor from the Brody School of Medicine at East Carolina University in Greenville, North Carolina. I'm a cardiac physiologist, and I came to the Adaptive Responses Conference here in UMass to talk about some of our studies of exercise in the heart. So there's a lot of emphasis on the things that we can do to the heart to protect it against heart attack damage, and that's one of the things that I'm really interested in. As it turns out, exercise is a very potent stimulus that can confer adaptive signaling within the heart and make it more resistant to damage by a heart attack. And so that's what I was here to discuss. So our findings indicate that exercise certainly protects the heart against heart attack injury. People who exercise are more likely to survive a heart attack, and they're less likely to have severe injury during a heart attack. And so we want to know why. And so one of the things that I talked about here in our discussion was how much exercise is needed to protect the heart, how long does it need to go on for, and then how exactly does it protect the heart. And what we're finding is that exercise seems to upregulate endogenous antioxidants. I think we often think of antioxidants as things that we eat, but the most potent antioxidants in our body are ones that we produce endogenously in our tissues, in our heart. We make our own antioxidants, and it's these antioxidants, in particular what we call the glutathione couple, that seem to be upregulated by exercise. So the consequences of exercise on the heart are that you have an upregulation of this glutathione couple, you have better scavenging of reactive oxygen intermediates like superoxide, lower production of free radicals, if you will. And ultimately, the consequence of that is improved mitochondrial function. So your heart cells are better able to make ATP, they're better able to make energy, and if your heart cells can make energy, then your heart cells can survive a heart attack much, much better. And so this is what we see happening with the exercise stimulus, is you have upregulation of endogenous antioxidants that confer protection of the heart, specifically by protecting mitochondria. So it's an exciting area. It's been a great opportunity to be a part of a conference here. There's a diverse group of people of interest spanning plants, humans, animal research studies. And so this has been a wonderful opportunity to share our research as well as to learn from many other talented investigators in this area. So I've really enjoyed it thus far. It's also my first trip to Amherst, so I'm enjoying that as well. And thank you very much for that.